Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 13.4, Problem 7. This is Section 13.4, it's problem number 7. It says, draw the graph of the following function. Be sure to label the x and y coordinates of any critical points. And the graph is f of x equals 5x minus 7. So this is a 7-step process. Step 1 is take the first derivative. So 5x is going to make a 5 for the derivative. Again, when I take the derivative of something with an x to the first, the answer is the number in front, which is called the coefficient. The minus 7, its derivative is 0, because the derivative of any value without an x in it is 0. So that's step 1. Step 2, set it equal to 0. 5 equals 0. Step 3, solve for x. There is no x in it. There is no solution for this problem. So what does that mean? Did we make a mistake? Well, what it means is you have no critical point. You have no point with a horizontal tangent line like this. That's what it means. So what type of graph would that be? Well, if you recognize there's no exponents on my variables, this is a straight line. So instead of f of x equals 5x minus 7, remember, f of x and y are interchangeable. This is basically like a y equals mx plus b, 5x minus 7. So I know it's a straight line. And again, with a straight line, you don't have any of these points with a horizontal tangent line. So since it's straight, I only really need to know 2 points, and I can connect the dots. This one you can find the graph of without calculus. So one point that's very easy to find is put in a 0 for x. Y equals 5 times x becomes 5 times 0 minus 7. So you have y is minus 7. So one point is 0 for x minus 7 for y. And if I 0 the y, I'd get a fraction. So let's not do that. Let's put in a 2 for x. So y equals 5 times x becomes 5 times 2 minus 7. So that'll be 10 minus 7. So y would be 3. Positive 3. 10 minus 7 is positive 3. So 2 comma 3 is the second point. Again, I know it's a straight line. It's basically y equals mx plus b. So if I graph over 0 down 7, over 0 down 7 is there. And then over 2 up 3. So over 2 up 3 is here, right? Over 2 up 3. And then I can connect these two. A nice straight line. Like that. And this is the graph of f of x equals 5x minus 7. This one's a straight line.